Oh, hey, how are you? Welcome to the Adventurers House. Let the adventures begin. So, as you come in the front door, you have this massive kitchen where we're going to be cooking up some tasty, tasty grub on our hob and in the oven gas. Now, as we come here, we've got the sink. You know, as you do, just a normal sink. Ooh, tasty. Here we got loads and loads and loads of storage for our meals. Oh, we even got a letter, but you know. In here, we got the big boy cupboard where I'm going to be storing all the sweets, putting a padlock on it, and bada bing bada boom, there's a few fruit stuff and everything like that. We just got the keys today, so just don't worry about the mess. In here, this is our living space. It is a bit echoey at the moment, but as you can see, it is pretty big. At Christmas, we're probably going to have a Christmas tree here. Don't mind the dirt, don't mind the blinds, they'll be fixed soon. You'll see that as well. Here we have an open fireplace. I think we're missing something, you know, it can be used as a naughty step for me when I'm being a bold boy. You never know. Anyways, coming through, watch the step. Just watch the step. In here is our luxury bathroom. 1 out of 2 bathrooms in this 2-bedroom apartment. We got a nice bathroom, we'll be all done up. We have some mines. Coming here, we got our coat rack. That's not going to be there anytime soon. In here is a spare bedroom. It is a bit small, but you know, we got a bed and stuff like that. We just moved into it and we got a bed. It's always a plus, isn't it? In here, we got our room. The biggest room out of them all. Just like the sitting room, just a tiny bit smaller. Because, yeah, why not? In here as well. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Boop, 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 boop. We got our ensuite. This is our ensuite. It may look small in the video, but it's actually middling size. So this is actually our house. If you want to follow me, if you can see, we got our own apple tree outside where we're going to be cooking up some tasty, just right there, some tasty, tasty, tasty apples from Apple Pie. Anyways, this is the Adventurers House. And we'll see you guys when we're doing it up. See you later, alligator.